In this lesson, we are going to learn about adverbs. Adverbs are very common in English and they help us add more information to our sentences. In this lesson, we will learn how adverbs describe how, when, or where an action happens. Welcome to Nothing Fancy Literacy, where we provide clear and practical English grammar lessons for students, ESL learners and teachers. An adverb is a word that describes a verb. Adverbs tell us how, when, or where something happens. Many adverbs end in ly, but not all of them do. Let's look at an example. The dog quickly ran across the road. The word quickly describes how the dog ran, so quickly is an adverb. Adverbs can appear in different places in a sentence. For example, the dog quickly ran across the road. The dog ran quickly across the road. The dog ran across the road quickly. In each sentence, the word quickly is still the adverb because it describes how the dog ran. This shows that an adverb does not always have to be right next to the verb. Adverbs help us add more detail to our sentences and make our writing clearer. Now try the activity. Underline or color the adverbs in the sentences above. If you found this lesson helpful, subscribe to Nothing Fancy Literacy for more clear and practical English grammar lessons.